from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2020 Spring Carlisle. Oh, no, I'm doing good. It's getting late in the day. The Chrysler Nationals, we're checking out this Dart. That's not the Dart idling, unfortunately so. Let's see what we got here. Asking 19. Automatic on the column. You've got the, what's it called? Sounds like it has worked. Absolutely worked. It's got the Krager SS. It's got a lot into it. Let's see how good the bodywork is. The bodywork looks very good. It's very straight. I like it. This side I see waves in the rear quarter. Not my favorite. Definitely they lost it over here. Let's see if we can get in there. Can I sneak past for a second? Thank you. Now take a look at the lip. You can see it. You got some rust spots and stuff. Cool. What motor is in there?
360.
360? Yeah, it sounds like it's massaged a bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Were you the news?
I'm NortheastWheelsEvents.com.
Who?
NortheastWheelsEvents.com.
Oh, okay.
Online calendar events for all things on wheels. Thank you.
Hey.
Check out this Kudo with the 440. Nice, about 70. 446 pack. Asking 89.9. Ooh, V-code, shaker hood, super tack, automatic on the column. On the column, folks. You go this far, why would you go on the column? That's a lot of money for not quite the right car. Condition looks very good. Yeah, I like it just on a quick glance. Very pretty. Very pretty. Let's check out this Charger. At least it's got a console shifter. 8-track. Nice. Asking 49.5. Magnum under the hood. Modified slightly. I like that. Carburetor and ignition, which is a good thing. Looks pretty good. These e-bodies had the problems with the shock towers in the rear, the bar going across the rear. There are a number of points, but this one looks pretty good. That sounds very good. Nice little Dodge. Well, what do you think, folks, at 49.5? Alright, let's continue shopping over here at the 2020 Chrysler Nationals in beautiful downtown Carlisle. This is a 1970 Super B 383 automatic. Was a 4-speed. Interesting. It's got 391s in the rear. I'll tell you what they're asking in a minute. It's got the Ram Charger, that's correct. I gotta capture this Plymouth coming by. Called it a Dodge before, please forgive me, folks. See if it comes up. This car has been around. The quarters are really worked. Up top, you can see the rot down there. We are not pleased. Why they would change it over to an automatic is beyond me. But again, it is a B, so we've got something. They're asking a tick over 20. Let's see how much. Oh, asking 20,500. What do you think, folks? Yeah, 446 pack. That's not a 6-pack under the hood. Yeah, we got some real problems here. I'm gonna say this is a pass. What do you think? Here we have a nice little 85 Shelby GLH. These are fascinating little cars. It's interesting when Shelby went to help his buddy Lee Iacocca over at Chrysler. This is one of his first efforts. 32 on the clock, 0 rust. Oh, it's the GLH clone. Asking $6,000. Automatic. I don't know. I'm going to say pass. What do you say? Let's take a look at this Plymouth. I like this. About 64, 65. Let's see how close I am. Very handsome car. That was when Chrysler totally calmed down, went with the sharp angles, a very straight line from the designer angle. Stolen away from Ford and Lincoln. This is a 66 Belvedere II, Poly 318, original, 49.8 on the clock. One repaint, new tires, new gas tank, new carburetor. Asking $19,500. Nice on this car, I'll tell you that. Always look at the quarters and such. Looks good. It's got the optional knockoff hubcaps. I don't want to get run over, so I gotta keep an eye open. Looks pretty good. What do you think, folks? Nice on this car.